At start, mabuhay kayo lahat at happy 7th year.
Yes.
Di ba, it's our 7th year. So, how does it feel that 7 taon na po tayo? Ate Ten.
7 taon na po tayong ganito.
Bakit ano ba yung ganyan mo?
Eto, masaya.
Ayan, very good. And how about you, Ate Sai?
7 taon na tayong masigla, sir.
Busog?
Sama-sama, hindi sama-sama.
Kala ko busog kasi maintain kayo. Okay. And Sir Ray?
7 taon na tayong kung saan-saan na papadpad na kalye.
Yun.
Barangays.
I love it, di ba? So yung sinasabi ni Sir Ray, it's about we've visited different provinces, different places, whether if it's a barangay, covered court, kung ano man yan. Yan po yung ating Kwentong Gupit, which is our program for every Filipino because we believe that every Filipino deserves to wear a beautiful hair and has a story to share.